even this thing of marriage is a scam, more especially from Zulu people.
Okay.
There's this thing called umambezo.
Yeah.
But it's khohlela.
Bese khona inkomo yasekhaya.
And then but it was khohlela. But khona umambezo, khona isikhohlela, khona amalobolo.
Okay.
So then you need to perform these things, all of them.
Okay.
Again, before you get again. Am I buying a person or am I getting married?
So it depends on the family, honestly. But then with me, I feel like marriage or lobola, it's about combining two families, right?
Exactly.
So I don't think it should be there should be like much money that is contributed towards whatever's gonna happen, you understand? Because at the end of the day, besides the lobola, there's gonna be the marriage thing. You have to cough up money. There's the work meeting. You have to cough up money. You understand?
So,
exactly. You still have to cough up money. So
but okay. Bon, okay, listen, okay, they will tell you, okay, remember, I'll always give an example.
Okay.
Remember, you are a teacher.
Okay.
You are a girl, you are a teacher. I'm a doctor.
Okay.
As a man. They say our girl is educated. She's educated. She has a degree of what? Hey, la mana na wile school on 4 years. Na kile school on 7 years. I went to school. My doctor, to be a doctor, need to go to 7 years.
Honestly.
So then, my parents paid money for me to go to school.
As soon as fast.
Yeah, my parents paid money for me to go to school.
Okay.
Who's gonna pay them if they want me to refund the amount that they paid for?
No.
For you.
So now I don't think when it comes to lobola.
That's what little. So much le yang komo ka baba le yang komo ka baba le. Ngithola le yang komo ka baba le bathi kunenkomo ka baba.
Okay.
Ilitshitshi. Maviji. Abarobale le bona. Abarobale le bona pi.